Welcome back. Today I'm bringing you another confirmed free airdrop. This time it's for the Spicenet project, and it's a seriously strong opportunity. The team has solid backing and funding, and the project is working across several important areas. They've solved liquidity issues by providing liquidity for traders, deepening market depth so trading is smoother. They've built modern tech like a flashbook-style feature that speeds up user interactions and order execution. And their pricing is shown in real time. They're also working on aggregation, pulling funds from multiple sources to deepen liquidity and improve trading experience. In addition, they have a partnership with Solana. And because Solana is known for speed and scalability across many chains, Spicenet is leveraging that to strengthen its product. I'll show you their funding so you can verify it. This airdrop is confirmed, and the project reportedly has about $3.4 million in funding from multiple venture tiers backing it. This is not a project to ignore. You'll find the link in my Telegram and WhatsApp posts, and those links are in this video's description. When you paste the project link into your browser, you'll see the interface I'm looking at. First, click Login and connect your MetaMask wallet. After connecting MetaMask, the site will ask for an activation or referral code. I'll post mine in my Telegram and WhatsApp, and it's also in this video's description. Referral codes are limited, so if mine has reached its maximum, you should use another user's code. You can also search Twitter for Spicenet Space Code. And check the latest tweets for referral links. The links will usually point to other users' referral codes, which you can use to create your account. Once you have a working code and your account is created, click the three dots and select the wallet you connected. Next, you'll need to link your email. Click Link, type your email, submit, then enter the verification code sent to your inbox to confirm your email. I've already received my code and verified it here as an example. After email verification, link your X Twitter account. Click the link, authorize on the authorization page, and your X account will be bound. Then authorize Discord the same way, so your Discord becomes linked too. After these authorizations go back to the three dots, select your wallet again, and you'll see that the first three basic tasks are completed. Now go to the Quests section. There you can do the daily check-in and the various social tasks. Follow their Twitter/X account, complete Discord tasks, and perform other Twitter tasks or video upload tasks. Complete all the simple daily and social tasks first, then tackle the larger content tasks by following the project's documentation closely and writing your own original posts. Avoid AI for those pieces if you want the full points. If you need more detail on any specific task or want me to walk through a hard task step by step, tell me in the comments and I'll make a detailed follow-up. That's all for today's guide. See you in the next video. Join our Telegram channel with the link in the description for more money-making opportunities. And also visit our crypto blog to learn more about crypto that you may not see here on YouTube. The link will also be in the description.